Doom bang, doom bang, doom bang.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, one love, swift love.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet. Today is going to be all about these locks that I bought from Boho Locs. Super excited. I haven't opened it yet, haven't touched them, haven't even smelled them yet. Okay, so this is like true fake unboxing. So I clearly am obsessed with dreads because this is like the third time that I'm doing dreads. I don't know, they're just so easy. Like I love the easy. I love just waking up and being like, hair flip, I'm out the door. That's it. That's all you gotta do.
Each package comes with some hair accessories, which is super convenient.
I know they're gonna be so pressed that way. Oh my god, what is that in your hair? Oh my god. Are those beads? Yes, they are. Okay.
So these are the Boho Goddess Locs in the color Natural. There are 6 bundles of 20 dreads in each pack. So in total there are 120 dreads, and I spent about $150. Alright y'all, let's get this started. In total, I have about 30 to 40 parts around the perimeter of my head so that I'm able to put my hair up in a ponytail. In the middle, I have 6 connected cornrows. I made sure that the braids were parted where I essentially want my middle and side parts to be. So of course, you're going to need your locks, some moisturizer, a crochet hook, and a comb. I'm going to be braiding each section, but not before I moisturize using my TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer.
Your view is she from Malibu, she wanna hang out with the cool kids. Bikini volleyball, she likes to show off in her two-piece. She runs the show around the way when she comes.
Now that I have all of my sections braided, I'm going to start with the individual locks in the back. I will be using the same wrapping technique that I used in my last video, but since these locks aren't as chunky, you want to make sure that you wrap them as tight as possible around your braid. I would even recommend wrapping extra hair around it just for added security. For the middle, I really have no method of crocheting the hair on. I kind of just do it wherever I feel big gaps of space. As I get closer to the top, I'm making sure to put the locks closer together to ensure that my braids are concealed. When I get to the very top of my cornrows, I make sure to crochet a lock as close to the front as possible so that it looks like another row of individual locks. Here I'm just showing you again how I wrap the locks. You always want to make sure that you are wrapping the dread in the direction that it's going. You know you're doing it in the wrong direction if your braid is outside of the dread once you finish wrapping. The great thing about these dreads is that you truly only need one pack.
Okay, so I think I'm finished, y'all. I have about 21, 2, 3, 4, 24 left out of the 120. And my head is not killing me. And look how great these look. Ooh, who are you? Side part or not? A little side part action or whatever. Yes. Who are you? I don't even know who I don't even know why these girls bother at this point. Like, give it up. It's me. So Insecure was on. Let me just watch this next week. Next week on. Only 2 episodes left. It just started. First of of all, me and Issa gonna have to have a fight. How is there only 2 episodes left and it just started like 2 weeks ago? I'm confused. I'm gonna need HBO to run her money so she can come with new seasons, more episodes, longer episodes. We need longer episodes, Issa, okay? We're tired of the 30 minutes. It's not even 30 minutes because there's commercials, okay? I don't want no 24-minute episode. I want a full 30 minutes. Thank you, management. Okay?
Here, I'm just adding some beads to my hair using my crochet needle. I love that the accessories are all different colors and materials. I really feel like I only see gold and silver accessories at the beauty supply store, so this is great. She gave us some tribal beads. There were some shells in there. I felt like I was in Jamaica for a second, okay? I decided to add some color to the ends using this Clairol Crave hair makeup, which you can get from your local beauty supply store or pharmacy for around $10. To get the color out, you have to shake the bottle and squeeze. The color goes onto the sponge applicator and you can apply it from there. I felt that I was taking too long doing strand by strand, so I'm going to take a few strands and sporadically put the color on. I recommend using a glove when doing this. Not really smart on my part considering I have white nails, but it is temporary. Don't be alarmed if the color looks darker when you first put it on. Once it's dry, it'll get the brownish blonde effect. Here, I'm just blow drying my hair so the color will set. Guys, I don't know about you, but I am absolutely loving how this color turned out. Not only was it super easy to use, but it took me less than 10 minutes to apply.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely check out these locks. I'm definitely loving them. I think this is like such a look for me and I am like here for it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up, comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried this hair, if you want to try this hair. I'm looking like a snack, honey. I mean, it is what it is. The proof is in the pudding, okay?
See you in my next video, guys. Bye.